This video will show how to install a steel breech onto a Crosman airgun. We are using the 2240 in the video, but other airguns like the 2250B are very similar. First, remove the small breech screw. Be very careful not to strip the head. Then remove the rear iron sight screw. Next, remove the barrel band. If your Crosman has a foregrip, it will need to be removed first. Now remove the barrel and breech, being careful not to lose the gas port. Now the barrel can be removed from the old breech. Note that the barrel has a hole on this end. Insert the set screw into the top of the steel breech. Then slide the barrel into the breech. Do not worry yet about lining up the hole. Tighten the set screw until the barrel cannot move, then loosen it a tiny bit. Now line up the hole and tighten the set screw. Slide the probe from the kit into the breech. Yours will look different to mine. Reinsert the gas port, small side downwards. Next, line up the holes and place the breech onto the gun. Holding everything together with one hand, insert the breech cap. Then insert the rear sight screw and tighten. Next, rotate the probe to show the hole and then screw in the bolt handle. Reinsert the breech screw, do not over tighten. Finally, reinstall the barrel band. Thank you for watching. Please check out our Crosman magazines and other mods at airgunpartsshop.co.uk.